First fish of the morning. There's a Leah. At them again, eh? Yeah, guys, so the sun will be up in a few. And we have my rod set out right so. You know what I'm going to feed yet. When it's like the fish them just like come in. Leah just catch him first catch of the morning, guys. How you doing? Here? Yes, I don't know, we have the shrimp in the cooler. Over there, we have a line set out that's with fish bait. And we have the rod set out right here. Yeah, guys, the sun is coming up. But that side, you know, the sun come up on the east. So Sophie out there catching fish. Yeah, guys, so we're outside now, you know?
Outside for the next banger.
Yeah, guys, so the sun coming up now. I'm gonna do some lower fishing now. Okay. So we can catch that. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'm moving up further. So we can catch, you know. I look a bit. Yeah, man. How that do? Does it? Ah. Yeah, guys, so I was trying to lure. Only thing I see was just a few jack run up on it and a one pampas fish. So here I go on. I set my change up back the lure, put on a hook, a circle hook, and up the bell, set it out. And so I'm doing drop line now, guys. See if we can catch some more snapper. Yeah, so we have a bit of action, tagging, but nothing serious yet, yeah? Come on, see, camera still on, guys. Sun is coming up from that side. Yeah, man. Sophie is in the water right there. So he's doing some diving, like she's looking for maybe she's doing clippings or something. But yeah, that is it, guys. Yeah, guys, first fish of the morning, you know. I don't know what type of fish is that. First time seeing it. But can so look far. Yeah. Oh my. Can eat. Alright, you're showing me the igloo then. First fish of the morning, guys, for me. This is Leo first catch, early this morning. Yeah, man. My name is Juke, you know. Alright guys, so drop line working perfect. Drop line work perfectly, guys. I don't know about nobody else, but drop line me love, you know. Come on, have to catch a fish. No doubt about it, guys. Okay, guys, now we are gonna roast or fry some fish. The fish them from last night show no one. Yeah, man. So we'll scale up them right now.
Yeah, things like that fry, man.
Yeah, I'll fry them shrimps. Alright, guys. So the fish will lay the catch this morning. Can I fry the lay one too? Yeah. I'm supposed to have a pepper in there, no? Alright, guys. And a flounder. See now? This is my catch for the morning, guys. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna brush up 2 fish now. See me, I say. I'm gonna look the black.
Bien noir, c'est ça.
Hmm?
Bien noir, c'est ça.
Yeah. Oh, yes, just scale them out to come off you, man. The fish got shell shock, guys. Look at frightened. Hey, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Alright? Subscribe. See it? Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So this, I'm a homemade scraper, you know? Homemade scraper against the one that they make and sell, you know? Yeah, alright. So I'm going to scraper. Watch out. Quick and fast in here. So man, how fast the side that done, guys? Quick and fast. Watch out, all the eye, all the fish eye come out. Quick and fast, you know? Yeah man, homemade scraper made by me. Yeah, as I say, 1, 2, 3, I eat that. Done. Quick and fast. Right? Yeah. Homemade versus what them make for sell. You see me? So 2 going to far. No. So them scale like difficult, guys. Look at it. Let me show you. Let me show you the test. Let me show you what man. Watch that. You see how long this takes to take off? Let me show you. How long this take off inside there. Alright, know. Run how long you made like that? Run it side inside like that. How you made? Yeah guys, very quick and fast. Yeah, just come as I'm gonna fry some shrimp. Just fry the bait him. I don't know how you leave when you go away. Wait bait him. Yeah, and them have water. Just throw some season for them. Get a container and put them some season for them. Yeah guys, so yeah, I put that on. No, I put that on. Let's fry them up nice and bit. Yeah guys, so we use butter. Shrimp this, salt shrimp them. Turn it tonight. Just like that. Let's say you want some shrimp? Shrimp, but we don't have pepper do it now. We just started. I finish now. We are passing now. Yeah, well, we are nice. They're all now super fit. Yeah. Right. Let's put it up and just trim them, just call them and just turn them like that. You see the point? I'll do the Japanese style. Take a pot now and flip it up. Yeah guys, so the shrimp is ready, hot. Just parch them. This is called parched shrimp in butter guys. This is hot right now. So we'll put on the bump face. Hey, stuck yourself. Guys, there's a lot here, look. We're fine. Get away. See him? We'll put in the food, you know? Yeah guys, so what I do now, basically I drain off the fish them. Seize them, I get them to wash up. Get them to wash up really quick in the salt water. Seize them up, put them back in the igloo, make them go and marinate. Yeah man, so that is the catch from last night. Them two were catch this morning guys, because we don't know this morning we go dive. Yeah man. Alright guys, so time to season the fish now. So we have some black pepper, we have some black pepper, some salt, some fish season, and some other little mix up, you know. You guys, so we're inside. We're in the kitchen. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, guys. Alright, so don't want to salt them guys, so after that, so I'm gonna put on that in here, so yeah man, so I have a jack. I have a jack now, season up real quick. Well, some lobster tail guys. Just smear a little season on it, right? Put them down to marinate. Just like that guys. Where is it at? What? You guys, so Here we go now. That's at that. So soon we'll make fry fish them. See? We'll finish season up the rest of them here. A whole lot of fish left, guys. So I just get them seasoned up real quick. Oh, yeah, a lot.
No, I'm supposed to hot.
You think so?
No, no, my try. Yeah, man.
Alright, guys. Punch man on fire first. To fry my skin up. But they have a stick to turn him.
That's not something like that.
Watch it. Watch it. Yeah. Day 2 so far. I've enjoyed myself. Yeah, man. Lime Key, place to go, guys, when you're in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Just across from Port Royal. No joke about it, guys. Really nice. Have a wonderful view. Back to Kingston, downtown, all of the place here, guys. Wonderful. So I've enjoyed my time, guys. So here we go, and I'm gonna finish try to fish them. So taste 2 fish, and I'll head back home. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know we have a special guest, you know. And last part of the video, I'm gonna show you what I'm going. You see me? You afraid? Oh, you have to come from the side there, where the breeze is blowing. Come run, walk around to the side. Ooh, what's it doing? Yeah, pop. You have to watch the windsman and eye pop here. Fish up with black pepper salt, fish season. We have some fish season in our igloo. In the thing you bring, some all-purpose, probably some chicken season in there. So it's all spice, guys. Only thing we're missing is pepper. But wait, black pepper in there. So that not going still, yeah. Yeah, guys, the fish ready to eat now, you know? Yeah, guys, so.
I'm not drinking anything.
The water and the soda.
So Gina never bring the water and the soda?
No,
Taste the
probably
fish now?
less than she. I don't know. It's
For
alright.
real?
Yeah, it's okay.
What?
So my youth, you're going like in a big chef, my youth.
Huh?
You're going like in a big chef,
You
Leo.
call him?
Don't you ready?
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, fish up, you know? Well season. It's nice, man.
J. Can I call him? Errol.
You won't call him?
Call him. Call J2. Ask if you want a fish.
You guys, I'm going to finish my fish.
Errol.
See you in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe. So for those of you adventures guys, go over to our channel again and leave her,
Get John on him.
subscribe,
John on him.
like, share.
Hold it.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell for the latest update, guys.
Bye.
Yeah. So we outside now, is in.
What's your good, man?